In this tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to create an all-natural organic moisturizer that is safe for both children and adults. This DIY moisturizer is cost-effective, it requires few ingredients, and some of them are things you already have. Some of the ingredients are things you already have in your kitchen. So follow along as I guide you through the process and steps. You will love this result. You will love the result, and you're going to love this moisturizer. Enjoy this video. Please consider subscribing if you enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family. This moisturizer is very good for people with sensitive skin, especially kids with sensitive skin. So it's good for both adults and children. You don't want to miss this. So make sure to grab it. Grab your children in the kitchen and make this moisturizer with. So grab all your ingredients you need, and let's get started. Grab your double broiler. Look at the double broiler. You can watch a video of how I make my double broiler at home in the description below. I'm going to link it in the description below. So I placed my bowl on the double broiler and I added my shea butter. Remember, this is going to be on a low heat. Keep your stove on a low heat. So we are going to melt our shea butter. We have to make sure everything is completely melted. So this process is going to take you like between 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's all melted, I'm going to add my avocado oil. I added 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Then I mix everything together again. Once it's all mixed together, take it out of the broiler, then let it cool down a little bit and put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Once you bring it out of the refrigerator, it's going to be very solid. Look at it. It's going to be very solid. So you're going to grab your electric mixer and mix everything. Once you finish mixing, you're going to add your arrowroot powder. Depending on how thick or thin you want your moisturizer to be, you can add half cup of arrowroot powder, depending on how the quantity you are making. So you're going to gauge it with the quantity. Then I added my vitamin E oil and I mix everything together again. After mixing at this stage, you can now add your you can now add your essential oils. Look at that. Look at it. Look at how it looks. It looks so creamy, fluffy, and I just love the texture. This homemade moisturizer, I've been using it for my kid. For kids that have a very sensitive skin. So remember, it's good for adults and also kids. So you can use it with your children. I have this. You can use a bottle like this, or you can use a container like this one. Yeah, I prefer to use this because this is easier to put my hands in it and scoop out the moisturizer. So either one of the two is fine. You can use anything with a nozzle, or you can use a jar like this. Like this video, which I hope you did. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. It helps me to grow. And also comment below what you think about this moisturizer. And to my Old subscribers, I say thank you. Thank you for your support. To my new subscribers as well, thank you and God bless you. If you have any video ideas, make sure to leave it in the comment section below. Let me know your feedback about what you think about this moisturizer, and I will surely appreciate all your comments and feedback and respond to them as it comes in. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out and God bless you.